so we're going to go ahead and get started, and this is chapter 9, and this is about numeric storage, just for clarification, we only have two things to do. We have the terminal digit worksheet and job 11. I did have job 12 up there, which I took out because it is Easter, so you only have one. So you won't have job 12, but you will have job 13. And that'll be your last filing job. Okay, so we're going to go through the chapter, and then we're going to cover the worksheet and a little bit about job 11. Okay? Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, so page 218 talks about the numeric record storage and retrieval process. And basically, numeric records management is used to preserve what? If you have a number up there versus a person's name, what are you hiding?
Privacy.
Privacy, confidentiality. Okay, so that's why a lot of times numeric storage is used. So no one can just come in and look at the files and see someone's name on it, what's in it, that kind of thing. The number can be pre-printed on the record, such as an invoice number or something like that. The records are filed in number in ascending order from lowest to highest. Okay? So you will need to know that when you do the digital worksheet. Okay? Digit worksheet. So at the top of page 219, it talks about expanding files, and the numeric filing system is easy because basically you have an unlimited set of numbers versus 26 letters of the alphabet. Okay? It allows the addition of numbers and folders and storage units and all those things. So the consecutive numbering on page 219 is basically what consecutive means. What does that mean?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So in your digital worksheet, the first column is a consecutive number, right? And I think I gave you an example in Blackboard if you looked at that. You have some numbers over here, 16, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 7, 1, 7, 4, 5, 6. I'll put some other ones over here, and this last one. So in these numbers right here, what's the first three numbers that's in consecutive order? 1, 2, 7, 5, 4. So this is the first one. 1, 7, 4, 5, 6.
2, 1, 3. 1, 7, 8, 9.
1, 7, 8, 5, 9. Okay. So that's in consecutive order. So what would be the next one?
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6.
And then the next one. Okay. So you see how that works. It's just in consecutive order. Okay. Now, these are not all the numbers and they're not in all order from the worksheet. I'm just giving you an example. Okay? And I did give you the first three in Blackboard. Okay? So that is consecutive numbering. Very simple. Now, at the bottom of page 219, it talks about the components of consecutive numbering. One, you have to have a numeric file, an alphabetic file, an accession log, and an alphabetic index. Okay? On page 220, you have numbered guides and folders. If you look at figure 9.1, what's your primary guides?
General and numeric. General and numeric.
Is it?
Maybe not. 250 to 60? I don't know, I'm wrong.
Yes, primary guides, number 250 and 260, divide the drawer into easy-to-find numeric segments. And they're usually done within sections of 10. So behind the number primary guide 250, you start with 250 all the way up to 259. 0 to 9 is 10 numbers. Okay? And then on the general folders, which is the third cut over to the right, record 250 is Zakim Allen S. Notice that starts with a Z. What about 251? H. So we're not alphabetizing those. We're putting them in order by numeric from lowest